guys. Let's head to it. Got your cameras ready? Yeah, is everyone ready? Yes? Can I hear a response?
Yes.
Okay. Budi, are you ready? Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Can you see that the good one? Shall we try this one more time?
Yes.
No more? Oh, okay.
Fruit salad we have papaya, apples and pears, bananas, grapes, even oranges. Once more we get a couple. Just to name a few, we have Indian blue peacock. So this is a full mature meal that has been roaming around. Very nice long French fries. And how we love our McDonald's French fries, they love their mealworms. These mealworms are high in protein.
And graceful as lovely flamingos.
The pool's amphitheater for high flyers. Thank you. Now flying high up there is Baba, one of our show's high flyers. And once she's ready, she'll be making a turn. There you go. Papa is. Now Papa has learned how to copy a lot of sounds. But before he makes those sounds, he's actually got an important message for all of you. What's the message? Can you hear it? He says, shh. Wants everyone to remain silent so that all of you can hear them. What sound is that? That's right. He's asking who is it? And now Papa here has a friendly neighbor, the dog. Papa, is it your friend, the dog? What sound is this? There you go, that's the sound of the ring telephone. And you say hello, 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 hello. Nice and sweet. Start to cry. That is how Pao cries, okay? Right. So usually when he cries like that, I will try to cheer him up. What I'll do is I will tickle him. Tickle. There you go. You got a bit of tickles right over there. And now Papa is feeling happy. You're doing his happy dance. Look at that. He's doing round and round the perch. That's all. There you go. Well done, Papa. Now Papa here is also learning how to sing. Now for now, he can only sing a line of the birthday song. By any chance, is any one of you celebrating your birthdays today? Any birthdays in the crowd? Okay, what about tomorrow? I love you. We all love you. So it's time for Papa to go. Can all of you wave and say bye-bye, Papa? It's our turn. He's waving. Say bye. Bye-bye. 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 Let's give it up for Papa, ladies and gentlemen. Our yellow named Amazon parrot. Now, there you go. Look at that. A very pretty bird joining us on stage. Now, this is Pepper. Okay, I will be coming up close to some of you. Okay? Now, I'm in position. Okay, this gentleman in white, please sit down, sir. Hi, sir. Oh, okay, hold on. Hold on. There you go. Okay, the gentleman in white, please sit down. Thank you very much. Sit down. There you go. Now, these birds, they will be flying very low above your head, so please cooperate with us, alright? Now, this is Ferrari, our Scarlet Macaw. You're supposed to perform in the show early on, alright? Now you can head back home. Thank you very much for joining me. You don't want to go back home? Okay, never mind. Never mind, okay? Alright, okay, now just keep your eyes on Pepper. Now what she's doing, she's inspecting the interior of the nest box. And only then she will hop and chow. Of course, Vega! Here we go! Look at that! Perfect cross. Thank you very much. One. Vega, lift up. What do you do when you see money? That's right. Take the money. Come on, Sensi. Amen. Don't move. Don't Sensi right here. Let's go. You say hi to all the ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for grand finale, we will be bringing out lots of birds on stage. So let us get started. First up from Africa, the Grey Bird Pelicans. Next up to India, our Spot-billed Pelicans. All the way from Eastern Europe, we have our Dalmatian Pelicans. 5 of them, here they come. Now back to Africa. The birds with their long, sexy legs, supermodels of the world, greater flamingos. Last but not least, let's spend this time with the beautiful locals from South America, coming from Monte, Ende. There you have it, everyone. Our grand finale of birds. Let's give them a big hand.
Well, this is a turkey vulture, and they can be found from the tip of Canada all the way down to the tip of South America. They are the most numerous vulture species in the world, numbering way over 10 million in the wild. These birds are able to smell out food. By flying low, it means they have picked up the stench of rotting meat. Big birds, like the king vultures, which lack this unique ability, will follow the turkey vulture's lead. And they will be the one to rip apart those tough skin. Cause turkey vulture. Indian condor. Right over here, dude. Indian condors can be found in the Andes mountain of Peru. They are the largest and the heaviest bird of prey in the world. Weighing at 15 kilos, they have an amazing wingspan that can measure up to 3.2 meters. Check out his wings. Wow! Because they're so heavy and their wings are so big, condors prefer to live in windy areas where they're able to glide on air currents with little effort. And just like any vultures, they are scavengers. They hardly hunt. So whenever they chance upon a carcass, they will try to eat as much and as quickly as possible because they do not know when their next meal will be. They have a very powerful suction system which enables them to swallow their food extremely fast. Regions of the Himalayas. Some migrating juveniles that are heading south are known to have lost their way and ended up in various parts of Asia. Genghis here happens to be one of them. He was found weak and dehydrated along a shopping district in Singapore. We rescued him and nursed him back to good health. As you can see, he's doing very well right here in Jurong Bird Park. So how about it, Genghis? How about you head back home? Right here, all the way inside. Thank you very much, our Himalayan group. Introducing them one at a time. Now starting with the one on the carcass. Well, that is the cinereous vulture from Europe and Asia. And the 3 smaller grey ones are the white-backed vultures. birds flying around are called brahmi kites, and they can be found in Southeast Asia. We're gonna watch them make a few more impressive catches. One last high throw. Okay. One in the middle. Awesome. And in some countries, where they are open air restaurants, these birds will dive down and snatch from plates, trays, and even other surfaces. To demonstrate this, I have a plate right here with me. Now watch what happens when I place food. Watch it. Look at that, that's fast. I'm gonna do it one more time. Look at that. Okay, for one last try, I'm gonna place 2 pieces. So if anyone would like to take pictures, focus on the camera. It's gonna be very fast. Oh, hold on. Okay. So is she fine? Yes? Alright, okay. I'm gonna try one more time. Okay, 2 pieces. Right, close. One last go and you wait for a while. So remember, when you're having a meal out in the open, do watch out for these birds. And with that, after having seen all these birds flown here today,